Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. Today we're talking about the 2026 Honda CBR 600RR, a name that needs no introduction in the supersport world. After years of fans asking for a proper comeback, Honda is back with a sharper, smarter, and more aggressive middleweight machine. This isn't just nostalgia, this is evolution. Design, pure racing DNA. The 2026 CBR 600RR looks straight out of MotoGP. The front fairing is sharper, the LED headlights are more compact, and the overall bodywork is tighter and more aerodynamic. Winglet-style elements and a race-focused stance give it a serious track-ready presence, while still looking street-legal and premium. Engine and performance, high revving thrill. Under the fairing sits the legendary 600cc inline-4, tuned for strong top-end performance and screaming high RPMs. Expect razor-sharp throttle response, smooth power delivery, and that classic CBR soundtrack. This bike is built for riders who love to chase redlines and carve corners. Technology, smart and race-focused. Honda packs the 2026 CBR 600RR with modern electronics, including ride-by-wire, traction control, multiple riding modes, and a quickshifter. There's also a full-color digital display that keeps all the important info right in your line of sight, whether you're on the street or the track. Brakes and suspension, track-ready control. With upside-down front forks, a lightweight chassis, and powerful disc brakes, the CBR 600RR is all about precision. The suspension is tuned for aggressive riding, and the braking performance gives you confidence to push harder into corners and brake later, just like a proper supersport should. Riding experience, built for the twisties. This bike feels light, sharp, and extremely focused. The riding position is sporty, the handling is quick, and every input feels direct. Whether you're attacking mountain roads or doing track days, the 2026 CBR 600RR is designed to reward skilled riders with pure riding excitement. Final thoughts: is it worth the hype? The 2026 Honda CBR 600RR proves that the supersport category is far from dead. It mixes classic high-rev performance with modern tech and aggressive styling. If you've been waiting for a true 600cc sport bike comeback, this might just be the one.